With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. In this video, we are discussing question number 4. A. Why is there a need to regulate cyberspace? Explains giving reasons. B. Explain the role of filtering devices and rating scales in regulating internet content. C. What is the UNCITRAL UNCITRAL model law? Explain its doctrines and parts. And D. What are the international initiatives for the regulation of cyberspace? So if you need answers, contact us. Thank you so much for watching.